Hey there, and welcome to our tutorial on how to monitor late clock-ins in Connecteam. We'll show you several ways to track and manage employee punctuality. Let's see how to monitor late clock-ins from the overview page. First, go to the attendance section, where you can see who's late and who's already clocked in. Click any category to view employee details. From here, you have several options. Click the chat icon to send a bulk message to late employees. Click the three dots next to an employee to send them a direct, personalized message. From here, you can also view their scheduled details. Use the quick filters to refine your view by location or role, like checking if supervisors in New York are late. To customize your attendance view, click the settings icon and select what information you want to display. For example, choose running late to focus only on late employees. Now let's check late clock-ins in the job scheduler. Go to Viewing Options in the top left and select View by Users. On the left, you'll see clock indicators. A green clock shows employees who've clocked in. A yellow clock indicates employees are running late. Finally, head to the time clock to set up auto reports. This will send reports directly to your email, helping you track late arrivals automatically. Let's create an automatic late clock-in report. Click Add another report and name it Late Clock-In. Select User Report under Type, then choose users that haven't clocked in yet today. Now, select your working days and set when you want the report delivered. Add the recipients who should receive this report, and finally choose whether you want it in Excel or PDF format. You can refine your reports by filtering for scheduled employees only. This way, you'll only receive an email about team members who are expected to work. That's it for today. Thank you for joining us. For further assistance, feel free to use our Help Center anytime.